All right, everybody, welcome back to Bummer's Instant Pot. Glad you could join us. Tonight we're going to be making some Cheeseburger Deluxe pasta. First thing we want to do, get this red onion here chopped up good. So let's get it done. Bam, just like that, onions are all chopped up. We got some American Kobe beef, ground beef here. We're going to get ready to saute these onions up, so let me get this off of here. Let's go ahead and put it on, where's Sauté at? Sauté, on high. Go ahead and click on start. We're gonna put some avocado oil in the bottom of it here. Get these onions sauteed up good. Let's give this a few minutes to get heated up, and we'll throw the onions in. All right, get that avocado oil heated up good. Let's get these red onions in here. Get these sauteed down. Should take about 3 minutes to get these done good. Another nice storm rolling in tonight. Appreciate you guys stopping by and watching again. Getting this ready if you can. Hey, go down there and click that subscribe button. It's much appreciated. Helps the channel grow. Click the bell. Remind you when we got new videos coming out. So get this sauteed up, and we'll get ready to add the burger meat to it. Onions all sauteed up pretty good. Let's get the ground beef into here. Start getting it broke up. Get it browned up good. Oh yeah. And this will be a pretty good dinner tonight. While we're letting that brown up, we got some minced garlic. We're going to add 1 teaspoon minced garlic down into it. Let's go ahead and add 2. There we go. Get that all closed up. Keep stirring this around until we get it browned up good. And we'll get ready to start adding the rest of everything else. So we'll be back when the hamburger's ready. The meat's all browned up pretty good. Get us a little Worcestershire sauce. Get this open. We want 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Right, 1 tablespoon. Use that and help deglaze the bottom. There ain't a lot of deglazing to do, I don't think, on this one this time, but the Worcestershire sauce will help out a lot. So, now that that's been deglazed good, and you also want to leave your juices in here. You don't want to drain your juices off. We got 3 cups of beef broth. We're going to go ahead and add that into there. Set this back over to the side. We got 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Ooh, splashing around on me. Get that in there. We want 1 cup tomato juice. Get that poured down into there. Alright, next thing we want, we're going to want 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning here. So we'll do 1, 2. Put that in there. We also want 2 teaspoons here of some salt, pepper, and garlic. Just using some SPG Rub I got here for smoking. Put that in there, get it flavored up good. 2 teaspoons, there we go. Get the top put back on that. All right, next thing we want, we got some liquid smoke. Add a little smoky flavor to it. Just gonna add 1 tablespoon. The ingredients to all this will be down in the description in the bottom also, folks, in case you need to follow it. Go ahead and get that stirred up good. Hope this turns out good. Alright. Next thing we do is we want to add some elbows, a whole box of them. Wanted the large size, but this is all we had was just some regular size elbows in here today. If I have to do this again, I'll use the large. You just want to pour it right on the top of everything here. And with that, you don't want to stir it up. You just want to push it down in there so it's all mixed up. You know, at least covered with the sauce. Mix it up too much, it could clog up the pressure sealing on it. So, alrighty, let's get the Sauté turned off. Get ready to start cooking this. Alright, let's get the lid on the Instapot here. Make sure we're in the sealed position. And we're going to pressure cook. And we only want this to be running for 6 minutes because the meat and everything's already been browned and cooked. Make sure it's on high. Hit start. And when it gets done with it 6 minutes, we'll come in and do a quick pressure release. Get ready to add the rest of the stuff. Then have dinner. We're back. Time to get this thing pressure released here. Let's get it done. All right, pin just dropped. Go ahead and get this top off of here. We'll get this set to the side. Now let's go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. First thing we're going to do, some Thousand Island dressing. We want 1/2 cup of that. So it's kind of like your burgers you get at the store, you know, not your Burger King Whoppers and or the McDonald's. Got that orange sauce on them. That's basically all it is. Next thing, we want 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. That put down into there. We also want 2 tablespoons of some barbecue sauce. Get this open. Get this measured out here. 1 tablespoon. Oh, 2 tablespoons, a little bit more, but hey, more barbecue sauce the better. Alright, let's get this stirred up here just a little bit. Oh, it's already looking good. Gonna be better with the next thing we add to it. Let me get this camera fixed so you can see it a little bit better. Alright, hope you can see that a little bit better. But it's getting stirred up in there. Looking good. Now to make it really good. Got 3 cups of shredded cheese, whatever kind you want, cheddar. This is a taco blend. I'm gonna pour all that into there. You can add a little bit more if you want, depending on how cheesy you want it. Start getting this mixed up good. Get that cheese melted really good down into there. I think this is going to be a winner here. Go ahead and get this turned off. I think we've got a winner here. Get ready to start plating this up. See how it is for dinner, folks. All right, let's get some of this out of here, get it on them. All right, I'm going to rest a little bit, still pretty warm. Let's give this a quick taste test. Still super hot. Already dripping it. You know, next time I'll probably go with about 4 or 5 cups of cheese next time. I like it a little bit more cheesy. Tastes delicious. Took a little bit more prep work, a lot more ingredients than what I usually have cooked so far, but it turned out great. And remember, if you can, you've been here this long, go down there and click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment. Ring the bell so you get a notification when I have new videos coming out. And we'll see you guys next time.